To showcase the synergy between academia and industry, we went to the fantastic Milton Keynes College to find out how they are shaping tomorrow's engineers and leaders.
So the pivotal role we have here at Milton Keynes College Engineering is that education is not just about textbooks, okay, it's about the practicalities of industry, especially engineering. So here our mission is to not only learn from the textbooks, but to get people out into industry and get the training solutions they require so they can go forward, okay, with their careers, with qualification, and also have the skills and knowledge to go into an industry of their choosing. So me personally, I've been a crusade for the last 12 years here at Milton Keynes College because I know that the technology is out there that the students need to understand. So we have to be able to change with it. So companies like SMC are pivotal in what we do here. So their training aids are not only easy to use, okay, but they are affordable for the college to buy. So they replicate what happens out in industry to a very good standard. So therefore, companies like SMC and their training development programs are pivotal for our students because it does show the real world technology and innovation that's out there in a training environment, which is fine for us as students at Milton Keynes College. Collaboration within industry is what happens from a day-to-day basis all the time. So if we can start teaching the students how to collaborate here at college, then when they get out in the real world, they can start collaborating properly with the projects out there. It's been proven time and time again with SMC helping the college with their training solutions, it does get our students to launch themselves onto a career that they can move forward with technology innovation.
This is an excellent example of how industry collaboration is showing clear benefits to the next generation. Contact me directly to find out more. Follow us on LinkedIn.